Ever wish you could do a freestanding handstand? Hi, this is me, Bonnie. I always wanted to, but I've never really practiced, so I definitely can't show you how. But a fellow American Ninja Warrior and aerialist, Eliannah, agreed to share her 6-day free handstanding tutorial. So make sure you follow her on IG at Eliannah. Day 3, part of this tutorial involves falling, and I must say I find falling pretty easy to do.
Day 3 of handstand adventures. Are you gonna do handstands today? He's not gonna do handstands today. So day 3 of our quarantine handstand adventures. Guys, I'm feeling a lot better today because I decided to not turn on the news at all, and it is just a weight off my shoulders. I recommend you do the same thing. All right, so yesterday we did our first handstand against the wall, and we floated our feet, we alternated our feet. So today we're gonna build on that. So we're gonna still kick up with our back against the wall, and we're gonna try to slow that down even more and create some moments of actual balance. So I'm starting against the wall, I'm kicking up. My hands are about 8 inches, 6 inches from the wall. My dominant leg is in front, I'm just lunging, kicking, and I'm pushing out of my shoulders, and I'm just peeling one foot away, and now I'm floating and alternating. And if you can tell, I'm actually in free balancing handstand as I alternate, right? So my hips are over my hands, pushing out of my shoulders, pushing out of my fingers, and I'm creating these little moments of balance, and then I'm just coming down. So that's awesome. So that's actually a little free balancing handstand right there. And so we'll go on to the next step. So if anyone's ever given you tips on handstands who can do them, they're probably telling you that your stomach against the wall is the best way to practice. And I'll tell you the same thing, but it is a little bit scarier because now you can fall. You're not as protected. So we're gonna do something called birdie on the wire. I can't tell you why it's called this. I think because your feet are like a bird on a wire. I really don't know. But so bird on a wire, your feet are up. You can do it on a chair, but I'm doing it against the wall. So I'm like 2.5 feet away right now. My hips are roughly over my hands, and I'm just getting used to having my stomach away from the wall. And I'm practicing falling. I'm just sending my foot right over to the side. I'm looking where it's going. I'm practicing kind of falling out. And as I get more comfortable, I can go a little bit closer and just do that same thing. I'm falling, I'm saying, oh, my foot's gonna go here, and I'm just getting comfortable. So 2 things today, guys. Do back against the wall, slow down those feet, and then try that birdie on a wire, and get your stomach facing the wall. Be safe, get a spot if you want it. Don't do anything that you're not comfortable doing, but play with it, challenge yourself. I hope you guys are making the most of this, learning something, spending time with your quality time with yourself, maybe cleaning, reading. That's what I'm doing, and we're in this together, and I just wish you guys the best of luck with whatever you choose to work on with yourself.
I hope everyone's doing well and you enjoyed this tutorial video. Thank you, Eliannah. If you guys like this video, please let us know by hitting like on the video, share it, follow along each day. Let us know how you guys are doing. Comment in the comments below, on IG, on Facebook, or wherever you're seeing this. And make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for the next lesson. Thanks for watching. If you're sick of feeling stuck with all the diets out there, busting your butt in the gym, and things still not panning out, not really getting the results you want, then I have some good news. I'm hosting a free online training that's going to help you discover the single biggest mistake that gym goers are making that cause every diet to end in failure. how to eat foods you love without feeling guilty or miserable and still get results, and the simple mindset hack that a lot of celebrities and TV stars use year-round to get results, and a lot more. It's going to be called Secrets to Get a Confident Toned Body and Live a Powerful, Healthy Life Without Crazy Dieting or Feeling Deprived. So to learn more on RSVP, simply go to www.eatnotdiet.com/early access.